There are plenty of reasons to choose your next phone to be a flip phone. Flip phones have made a mind-blowing comeback, and some of the newest models are essentially lightweight but very feature-packed and are perfect for sketching on the move, for using quick notes, and responding to notifications. When not in use, they fold up small enough to be tucked into your pocket. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best flip phones you can buy for yourself and fulfill your needs. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. Introducing Microsoft's latest communication device, the Surface Duo, a sort of phone-tablet hybrid designed to enhance your productivity. Measuring from 8.1 inches, you can perform your daily tasks on it even with your main display closed. Powered by Snapdragon 855, it is optimized to enhance your dual-screen experience better than traditional phones. With an 11-megapixel camera, you can take excellent photos and shoot up to 4K videos with sharp details. Its 3577 mAh battery makes sure you will get up to 27 hours of talk time. This 250 grams flip phone supports all Surface pens in the market, so write your notes, draw, or perform your job with style. Meet the unprecedented and spread your wings with the Huawei Mate X, which adopts an innovative hinge and presents groundbreaking technology with a remarkable visual sensation. It comes with an 8.1 inches display that lets you experience immense details with vivid colors all over the screen and allows you to see more at once. Its quad cameras let you capture eye-catchy images, and if you run out of storage, then you can extend storage capacity up to 256GB, while its Kirin 990 keeps everything snappy. You can make NFC payments with this 300 grams device, and its 4500 mAh battery will stand by you like a trustworthy friend wherever you need it the most. Meet the anything but an ordinary phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 2, which can fold like a book, and its precision-crafted hinge transforms a cutting-edge smartphone into something much more. Its innovative 7.6 inches foldable display opens to deliver rich texture of your contents and provide you a tablet-sized viewing experience. Even you can make video calls or snap a photo with it totally hands-free. At the same time, when you fold it, you will still get ample room to write notes, create presentations, and get other works done with ease. The Z Fold 2 comes with a triple camera that lets you shoot detailed photos, and its Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset enables the phone to respond fast when you're operating it. Its 4500 mAh battery is combined with two batteries, and its improved AI actively saves power so that your phone can stay alive for a long time when you need it most. Last but not the least, it is compatible with both reverse and wireless charging, so say goodbye to your wire-tangled life and grab Z Fold 2 for yourself. Introducing the Motorola Razr, which is the most compact and feature-packed flip phone on our list. Its two displays are made to work together and feature cinema vision, bringing you an ultra-wide dimension with punchy and crisp details. You can play your favorite music, take selfies, respond to a notification, and do more without opening the main display. It is equipped with a Snapdragon 710 processor, which is pretty fast in its class, and this phone allows NFC payments. That means you can take countless payments in a blink. This 205 grams flip phone has a 2510 mAh battery, which can run up to 24 hours on a standby mode. Besides, its splash-proof construction makes sure your device stays safe from sweat, light rain, or water splashes. It doesn't have any SIM card slot and supports eSIM only, which might be an issue for some users. Coming in at number 1, we have one of the coolest flip phones around, the Galaxy Z Flip 5G from Samsung. It features wireless charging, dynamic display, and others to make your life convenient. You can experience a stunning cinematic view from its 6.7 inches dynamic display, which delivers incredible color quality and reduces blue light so that you can enjoy your content without any discomfort. Its outstanding design allows it to fold surprisingly small so that you can store your phone into your pockets, bag, or purse securely. You can set it up as you want, and its Z Flip folding technology is designed to offer hands-free video chat, and it will reinvent the way you take photos on your phone. You can store all your data, files, photos, even 4K videos, which you have taken directly from your Z Flip 5G phone on its 256GB internal storage. With Bixby and Bixby Vision, you can turn your camera into an intelligent tool that provides you information about the world. As it features wireless power share, you can give some juice to other smart devices without any hassle. So that was our list of the best flip phones for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.